afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back again in your next lecture. Today I am here with the new concept. The concept was picture reading. Okay, it's there in your pencil book, semester number 2, chapter number 11. The concept name was picture reading. Okay, chapter number 11. Chapter reading. Okay. So what is the meaning of chapter reading? Do you know what is the meaning of chapter reading? Chapter reading means you are reading the chapters in your book. It was there. Then picture reading. So it was there. Chapter, sorry, I have written chapter reading. It's picture reading. Okay. It's picture reading. So the meaning of picture reading is that if anybody shows you any type of picture, then according to the picture you have to say the story time. It's the session like storytelling also, that some pictures shown to you, then you have to make the story. So picture reading means the picture is given there, it's the picture of a school. Okay, so that means you have to identify what all things are there, then you have to make a short story on that. So let's see, the exercise is given there. See here, let's see the story. It's about the school. So fill in the blanks is there. So options are written there: students, principal, playground, library, teacher and pew. Okay, so you are all the students, you are coming to the school for the classes. Principal sir is there in your school, he is the head of the school, as you know. Playground, you use playground for playing. Library is there, so we use library for books reading. Plenty of various types of books are kept in the library. If you want to read any type of book, you can move to the library to read the books. Okay. Teacher, that I am a teacher, I am teaching you. Peon, peon is there in our school also, like Didi, peons, what they are doing? They are doing the work, supporting, they are known as the supporting staff, they are doing other works in the school, they are ringing the bell, okay. So these are the works of the peon and supporting staff. So let's see where these are the options we can use in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's see, there are many dash in my school. So number 1 is there. Number 1, there, you have to read also, don't only just write. There are, A-R-E-R, M-A-N-Y, many, many means बहुत सारे, many dash in my school. Okay, so first we have to understand the meaning of the sentence also. Sentence का meaning क्या है? There are many dash in my school. अब आपको ये देखना है कि many क्या है आपकी स्कूल में. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, प्रिंसिपल है, प्लेग्राउंड है, लाइब्रेरी है, टीचर है, प्यून है. So here we have to write students. There are many students. So in first option, आपकी स्कूल में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं. So students. In first option, what you will write? Students. There are many students in my school. After that, see number 2. My school has a good collection of books. See, number 2. My school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Has, H-A-S, has. A, good. Good मतलब अच्छी. Good collection. Good collection. Okay, collection of books. BOOKS, books in the dash, full stop. ओके, बुक्स का कलेक्शन अभी मैंने आपको बताया ना, कहाँ पे होता है बुक्स का कलेक्शन? लाइब्रेरी में. कहाँ पे होता है? लाइब्रेरी. वी गो टू लाइब्रेरी फॉर बुक्स रीडिंग. सो बुक कलेक्शन ऑफ बुक्स वी गेट इन द लाइब्रेरी. सो आंसर इज लाइब्रेरी. LIBRARARY. Okay, library. We get plenty of books in the library. After that, the dash is teaching in the classroom. Number 3, the dash is teaching in the classroom. Who is teaching you in the classroom? Your teacher. Right now what I am doing, I am teaching you. So who teaches you in your classroom? Your teacher. So the option what will come here? Teacher. What is the option we will write here? Teacher. TEACHER, teacher. Okay, now complete this. So let's read one more time. There are many students in my school. मतलब हमारी स्कूल में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं. Number 2, my school has a good collection of books in the library. Yes, we get plenty of books, various varieties of books in the library. The teacher is teaching in the classroom. Who teaches you in the classroom? Your teacher. Okay. Now number 4, the dash is in his office. Number 4, the dash is in his office. Who is sitting in the office? Principal sir. Principal sir is having his own room. It's called principal sir's room. So he is sitting in his own office. So here we will write principal. Okay. The principal is sitting in his office. Okay. Then number 5, there is a large dash in my school. THERE. There is a large. Large means bada. In my school. आपकी स्कूल में भी है large. What is there? Playground. You also have a large playground in your schools. So there is a large playground where you used to dash is ringing the bell. Who rings the bell in your school? जब आप लोगों का 1 पीरियड से दूसरे पीरियड में हम टर्न होते हैं, है ना, जैसे मान लीजिए फर्स्ट पीरियड इंग्लिश का है, देन सेकंड द मैथमेटिक्स टीचर्स विल कम, सो देयर इज अ टाइम स्पैन इज देयर कि इतना टाइम में ये टीचर पढ़ाएंगे, देन सेकंड पीरियड के लिए दूसरे टीचर आएंगे, सो द प्यून रिंग्स द बेल, यस नाउ इंग्लिश पीरियड इज ओवर, नाउ मैथमेटिक्स टीचर्स इज गोइंग टू कम, सो हु रिंग्स द बेल? Peon. So number 6, sorry. Number 6, the dash is ringing the bell. B-E-L-L, bell. So who is ringing the bell in your school also? Peon. Okay, P-E-O-N, peon. So the peon is ringing the bell. Now complete this. Okay, so once again read with me. The principal is in his office. O-F-F-I-C-E. It is the spelling of office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. The principal is in his office. Number 5. There, T-H-E-R-E, there is a large, L-A-R-G-E, large means bada, large playground. P-L-A-Y, play, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, playground in my school. Then the peon, P-E-O-N, peon, P-E-O-N, peon. The peon is ringing the bell. The peon is ringing the bell. Okay. So this we had completed the exercise on page number 37. It's there. Now turn out the page and take out page number 38. Here also one more picture reading is there. That also we will do. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Here the scene is about the hospital. The scene is about the hospital. The doctor is there, the patients are there, the nurse is there. The doctor is using the stethoscope. जो वो कान में लगा के ऐसे यहाँ पे लगाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं stethoscope. Okay, then ambulance, we see the ambulance also. So here we have to see what are the things they are doing. Okay, so see, number 1 is stethoscope. आप मेरे साथ स्पेलिंग इसकी एक बार बोलिए. stethoscope लिखा हुआ है. Okay, S-T-E ईयर्स में लगाते हैं और फिर हमारे हार्ट पे हमारी धड़कन को चेक करते हैं। ऐसे ऐसे करके डॉक्टर चेक करता है ना, तो वो जिसको चेक करता है जो कान से लगाता है उसको बोलते हैं स्टेथोस्कोप। तो ये उसकी स्पेलिंग है STETHOSCOP, स्टेथोस्कोप। इसके बाद देखो नंबर 2 पे लिखा हुआ है नर्स, NURSE, नर्स। नर्स जो डॉक्टर की हेल्प करती है, उनकी हेल्पर होती है। ये देखो, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ नर्स। आपने भी नर्स हॉस्पिटल्स में देखी है ना, सो शी हेल्प्स द डॉक्टर, नर्स। नंबर 3 सी इंजेक्शन। You scared with the injection, you get scared with the injection। वैसे the injection आपको डर लगता है इंजेक्शन लगवाने से। ये देखो नर्स के हाथ में इंजेक्शन दिखा आपको, इंजेक्शन। Then doctor, see he is the doctor, he used to wear the stethoscope. So after that the spelling of doctor, DOCTOR, doctor। Then ambulance, है ना, कि कोई ज्यादा बीमार रहता है तो उसे एम्बुलेंस के थ्रू हॉस्पिटल लेके जाते हैं ना। उसमें सारी एम्बुलेंस में सारी चीजें रहती है, ऑक्सीजन रहता है, सभी चीजें जो एक पेशेंट को बहुत जरूरी है इमरजेंसी में, वो सभी चीजें एम्बुलेंस में अवेलेबल रहती हैं। ओके, देन एक्सरे, सी दिस इज द एक्सरे, है ना, एक्सरे। ओके, अब एक बार फिर से हम रीड करते हैं। नंबर 1 इज स्टेथोस्कोप, वो इस तरह से रहता है, ये देखो डॉक्टर ने लगा के रखा हुआ है, ये दिस इज स्टेथोस्कोप। नंबर 2 इज नर्स, शी इज द नर्स। ओके, इंजेक्शन, डॉक्टर इज गिविंग अस इंजेक्शन ना व्हेन वी आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल। ओके, देन डॉक्टर इज द डॉक्टर, ही ट्रीट्स अस व्हेन वी गेट्स इल। Okay, ambulance, in the emergency situation we need the ambulance. Then x-ray. Okay, then after that see, now number 1 the dash is in his clinic. Who is there in the clinic? Number 1 the dash is in his clinic. clinic क्या होता है? एक होता है हॉस्पिटल, जो भी हॉस्पिटल होता है उसको बोलते हैं हॉस्पिटल। एक होता है क्लिनिक, छोटा क्लिनिक भी होता है जहाँ पर डॉक्टर 1 या 2 डॉक्टर्स रहते हैं और उनके साथ में कुछ नर्स रहती हैं। ओके, तो वो होता है क्लिनिक। जो प्राइवेट डॉक्टर्स अपने क्लिनिक बना के रखते हैं ना, जैसे आप लोग भी जब बीमार होते हो तो किसी प्राइवेट डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, बिग हॉस्पिटल में नहीं जाते हो, सो इट इज नोन एज क्लिनिक। ओके, सो द स्पेलिंग ऑफ क्लिनिक इज CLINIC. So who is there in the clinic? Doctor. So here one number we will use doctor. So the doctor is in his clinic, मतलब डॉक्टर अपने क्लिनिक पर है। Then number 2, he is checking a patient with a, number 2 he is checking, ओके, चेकिंग करता है डॉक्टर। ओके, चेकिंग अ पेशेंट। पेशेंट कौन होता है? जो बीमार होता है उसे बोलते हैं पेशेंट, है ना। ए पेशेंट विथ अ डैश। अब जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया है ना कि अगर हम डॉक्टर के पास जब हम जाते हैं तो डॉक्टर हमारा चेकअप किससे करते हैं? स्टेथोस्कोप से। वो ईयर में लगाते हैं और ऐसे करके चेक करते हैं। So he is checking, मतलब कौन चेक कर रहा है? डॉक्टर। He is checking a patient with a stethoscope. So here we will write on number 2 stethoscope. You have to read also, not just only put the answers, but you have to read and you have to understand the meaning of the sentence also. So the number 1 is we are going to read about that. This is a picture reading about a clinic. Okay, so who sits in the clinic? Doctor. We see doctors in the clinic, nurses in the clinic, patients in the clinic, and the things and the objects what they use like stethoscope, injection. Okay, so here see the doctor is in his clinic. कौन बैठा है क्लिनिक पे? डॉक्टर। He is checking, he means doctor, he is checking a patient, मरीज को चेक कर रहा है। patient means मरीज, with a stethoscope. stethoscope जो मैंने आपको बताया है। Now complete these 2 sentences. Okay, so should I erase this too? Then number 3. What is there on number 3? Let's see. A dash has worn a cap on her hat. Who wore the cap on her hat? The dash has, H-A-S, has worn. Worn means पहना हुआ है. Okay, a cap, C-A-P, cap on her hat. अब आप पिक्चर में देखो किसने अपने हेड पे कैप पहनी हुई है? डॉक्टर ने पहना हुआ है क्या? नो. पेशेंट ने पहना हुआ है? नो. देन नर्स, she wore the cap on her head. So the right option is nurse. Here we will write nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. The nurse has worn a cap on her head. Okay, then number 4. There is one at the gate of the clinic. There is one dash on the clinic. What do you see on the gate of the clinic? See at the picture. What do you see at the gate of the clinic? See here. At the gate of the clinic, what do you see? We see an ambulance. Is there on the gate of the clinic. So right answer is, what is the right answer? Ambulance. So here we will write ambulance. Okay. Ambulance. You can break and then you can breathe. See, ambulance. So there is one ambulance at the gate of the clinic. At the gate of the clinic. What do you see on the gate? We see an ambulance on the gate of the clinic. Okay, so ambulance. Okay, now number 5. The nurse has a dash in her hand. Nurse के hand में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? The nurse, number 5. The nurse, N-U-R-S-E, nurse. The nurse has a dash in her hand. H-A-N-D, hand, full stop. क्या दिख रहा है आपको नर्स के हाथ में? नर्स पेशेंट को लगाने के लिए क्या ला रही है? इंजेक्शन. So right option is here, injection. Injection. Okay, this is the spelling of injection. The nurse has an injection in her hand. Then number 6, the doctor has an. Number 6, the doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. The doctor has, H-S, has an dash, okay, of the lungs. Of the lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Of a patient. Full stop. So क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे देखो, the doctor has an X-ray. X-ray इसका है lungs का X-ray. So the right option is X-ray. Here X-ray. R-A-Y ray. X-ray लेते हैं ना, so X-ray. The doctor has an X-ray of the lungs of a patient. Okay, now write this. So here beta we had completed chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is picture reading. Okay, so that means that you can see any type of picture and you have to complete the sentences, or you can complete the story also related to the pictures. When you will deal with your stories telling session, that time also teachers are showing you some pictures, so that means that you have to make the story of that particular picture. ओके, सो पिक्चर रीडिंग मीन्स पिक्चर को देखकर उसको देखना है, ध्यान से रीड करना है कि इसमें आप क्या क्या देख रहे हैं, और उससे रिलेट करके आपको स्टोरी बनाना है, सेंटेंस बनाना है. इधर हम लोगों ने सेंटेंसेस कंप्लीट किए हैं. एक हमने सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करा है स्कूल से रिलेटेड, एक हमने सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करे हैं क्लिनिक से रिलेटेड. सो हियर वी कंक्लूड द सेशन टुडेज चैप्टर. ओके, सो टिल देन यू हैव टू रीड, डू रीड, रीड एंड रीड, क्योंकि जितना आप पढ़ेंगे उतनी आपको चैप्टर रीडिंग अच्छे से आएगी. ओके, आप अच्छे से रीड कर पाएंगे, तो आपको बार बार रीड करना है. नहीं पढ़ते आ रहा है तो उसे रिपीट कीजिए. जितना रिपीट करेंगे उतना फ्लुएंटली आप प्रॉपरली रीड कर पाएंगे. तो लिखना, सिर्फ लिखने का काम नहीं करना है, लिखने के साथ साथ में आपको रीडिंग भी करना है, तो ही आप रीड कर पाएंगे चैप्टर्स को प्रॉपरली. ओके, टिल देन बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय.